So if you're watching this video, that means you've got your shape. Again, it doesn't have to be a pentagon, whatever shape you want. In this video, we're going to learn how we put this little hole all the way through it, and then we'll also put the text on there as well within this video. So to put the hole on there, you're going to go back up to your primitives bar up here, and you go to circle. So you can see you can place your circle anywhere. We just wait, we're not ready to place it yet. You go down and you look and you see the radius there. We're going to put a radius of 2, so that means it's going to be 4 millimeters across, and that would be plenty of room to get any key ring through that. So once you have it, you're going to place it approximately where you think you want it, and that's going to be pretty close. Once you have it on there, you're going to click in an area so that it becomes shaded. Then we're going to click on this, and we're going to go to extrude. Now you see the arrows pointing down. That means it's going to extrude downwards, so we're going to put in a value of 3 because that's how much we put in for our height. We put a value of 3. You push enter, and you can see you've got a hole all the way through it. So if you look from the bottom, you can see right through it. So that's for the hole. Now the text, you go up to the top and you click text. And it's going to say click to select sketch, and then specify text position. Now it's going to come up on a weird angle. Don't worry about that too much. We can change that. So in here you type whatever text you want. I'm going to type Kent. Please don't type in a swear word or anything like that where I wouldn't let you print it. But if you wanted to put a nickname in, you could. Now, if you want to change the size of your text, you would just change the height. So you would change it to 5.00 or whatever, just so that it can fit on there. Okay, so I'm going to leave mine at 10 because it fit pretty well, because I only have 4 letters in my name, so that's pretty easy. Now the angle, you can just rotate this, probably make it level, and then to move it, you just click in the middle there, and you can just put it wherever you want. You can choose different text, like different letters or different fonts, sorry. So I can choose this one here. It might make it look slightly different. One thing I'll caution you about, if you choose one that's weird, I think it was this one here with all these different, it looks kind of neat, but when you extrude it later on, it's not going to work properly. So just choose one that's kind of normal, like Arial or something. Place it where you want, and then you hit enter. So now that text, it wouldn't really show up when you 3D print it, so you want to make it 3-dimensional, so you click on it, like click on a letter somewhere, it comes up orange. You can edit the text if you want to change what it says, you can move it around, but what we want to do is extrude it. So now notice it's going to extrude upwards, because that's what we want. We want it to come out of it. And we could put like 1 millimeter. That would be lots of extrusion. If you wanted, you could do 1.5 or 2. Just the more you have, the I guess more easy those letters can break off. So I'd stick with 1 or 1.5. I'm going to go back to 1 and hit enter. And now you've got a keychain with your name on it and a hole in it. So in the next video, we'll look at how do we modify that to make it look a little bit different.